Welcome to this fireside chat with Kip Adkins, and I wanted to share a story. It's a success story of one of our favorite borrowers. The borrower found a property in Oakland, California. This particular property had been converted from a duplex to a single family home. Tons of opportunity in this Oakland duplex turned single family, large lot. The borrower purchased this property in the low 600s, did about $175,000 in restoration, turning that property back into a duplex, and we had an after repaired value of $1 million. So the borrower came back to us after financing that fix and flip project, and he said, I'm going to hang on to this property. I need a refinance. Let's do the BRRRR. We took in the loan again, and we got a new appraisal based on his after repaired value for a DSCR loan, get all his money back out. Property appraised for much more than the $1 million that it originally came in at on the after repaired value. Now with all the repairs he made, the value came in at 1.268. So the borrower pulled all of his money back out. It still cash flows just a little bit, but he has infinite cash on cash returns, and he has no money in this deal. This borrower is a gangster. The bravery, the focus of this borrower is undeniable, and he is building a legacy of rental properties that will stick around for generations, and the stories will go on for generations. Imagine that grandkid coming up and sitting on his lap and saying, Grandpa, how did you make money in real estate in the frothiest market of the history of the United States? And this grandpa, my client today, 40 years from now, will say, son, I did what no one else would do. I found a path, I stuck on my path, I stuck with my strategy, and when everybody zigged, I zagged. I bought more and more real estate, and I crushed it. That is an inspiration to us all. Hats off to my favorite borrower. Want to learn more about how you can build your portfolio? Follow us or reach out today at 800-228-8180. Extension 100 for Kip.